sorry, but we're just gonna go to Grammy Lala's for a minute, and then you have to go. Sweetie, you have to. You slept at Grammy Lala's last night. I'm sorry, that's... You're gonna come back. Why are you crying?
I want you.
Well, you've got me.